हेलो मेरे पढ़ाकू बच्चों, हम आज स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल। नो, क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। You know the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is a quadratic polynomial, and if we compare this polynomial with 0, then it is said to be quadratic equation. And the important point, the variable is here x, so its highest power is 2 and the power is in descending order. First x square, फिर क्या हो गया x और फिर क्या हो गया constant. But the important point, since we need quadratic, we have power 2, never 0. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर a 0 हो गया तो quadratic थोड़ी बचेगा, ये क्या बन जाएगा? Linear equation. That's why if you want a quadratic equation, it means the coefficient of x square must be there. What type of quadratic equations we have? This is said to be the standard form or general form. First one, the pure quadratic means ax square plus c equal to 0. It means no coefficient of x, only x square and constant. For example, x square minus 16 equal to 0. It means the factors are x plus 4 and x minus 4. Now what are the answers? Compare with 0. What we are getting? X equal to 4 and minus 4. These two answers are said to be roots of this quadratic equation, जिसको हम छोटी क्लास में क्या बोलते थे? आंसर आ गया. अब क्या बोलेंगे हम उसको? रूट्स. In quadratic polynomial, the zeros of the polynomial. What are the zeros of the polynomial? 4 and minus 4. जिससे ये चीज 0 हो जाए उसको अपन क्या बोलते थे? Zeros of the polynomial. And now since we are comparing with 0, these are said to be roots of the quadratic equation or answers of the quadratic equation. It means this 4 and minus 4 will satisfy the given equation. जो भी equation हमको दी हुई है उसमें अगर x 4 डालेंगे, you will get RHS 0. If you put minus 4 here, solve it, you will get RHS 0. These are the solutions or roots of the quadratic equation. Now in the NCERT exercise number 4.1, what is given? You have to check whether it is a quadratic equation or not. So first we start with the first part. After the algebraic expansion, what we are getting? X square plus 2x plus 1 equals to 2x minus 6. Shift all the variables and constants to left hand side. What we are getting? X square, 2x and 2x cancel out and it is 7 equal to 0. Yes, it is a quadratic equation since x square coefficient is here 1. Second part, x square minus 2x equals to minus 6 plus 2x. Shift to left hand side, minus 4x plus 6 equal to 0. Yes, it is also a quadratic equation. Third part, if we expand it, x square minus x minus 2, x square plus 2x minus 3. X square and x square cancel out. No other x square term present in this equation. Hence, it is not a quadratic equation. Fourth part. X square plus 3x plus 1 and x square minus 4x plus 4 after expansion of whole square. X square and x square cancel out. So it will become 7x and it will become minus 3. Since x square is not here, it is not a quadratic equation. Correct? Next is x plus 2 whole cube equals to 2x cube minus 2x. So we have to expand this whole cube. And you know the formula from class 9th. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b equals to 2x cube minus 2x. If we expand it, x cube plus 8 plus 3 to 6, x square plus 6x and 2, 12x, 2x cube minus 2x. Shift all the terms to left hand side. What we are getting? 2x cube to this side, x cube, 6x square as it is, 12x and 2x, 14x, and constant is only 8. What we are getting? A cubic. Hence, since it is cubic, it is not a quadratic equation. And represent the following equations in the form of quadratic equations. The area of rectangular plot is 528. A rectangular plot area is given 528 meter square. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice the breadth. Suppose breadth is x, then length is twice plus 1 more than twice of breadth. Now what will be the equation? Area. You know area means length into breadth. And what is given to you? 528. So from the quadratic equation, 2x square plus x minus 528 equal to 0 is the answer, is a quadratic equation. Second part, the product of two consecutive positive integers 306. Consecutive means लगातार. Let the first number is x, then other one is x plus 1. Consecutive, positive. Integers, product is given 306. So equation is x square plus x minus 306. Very simple. Next, third part is Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Suppose Rohan's age, present age x years. Then mother's age, what is given? More than 26, older. It means x plus 26. Now the question is, the product of their ages 3 years from now. So after 3 years, Rohan will be x plus 3 and mother will be x plus 29, because after 3 years you have to add 3, same as in the linear equation. The product is given 360. Form the equation. So simply multiply and form the equation. So here x square, 29x, 3x, 87 equals to 360. Correct? So equation finally x square plus 32x and minus 360 minus 87, use rough column, 273 of minus sign is the quadratic equation. Next is fourth part, a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. We don't know the speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more. Cover the same distance, need to find the speed of the train. Suppose the uniform speed is x kilometers per hour. Then 480 km covered in time equals to distance upon speed. So this is the first case, time taken by first case with the x km per hour speed. Now time number 2, what is given? 8 km per hour less, speed will be lower, that is 8 kilometers minus than the previous speed, x minus 8. अब बताओ टाइम किस में ज़्यादा लगेगा, जब धीरे जा रहे हैं तब या जब तेज जा रहे हैं तब? जब धीरे जा रहे हैं, इसका मतलब ये टाइम ज़्यादा लेगा. अब कितना टाइम ज़्यादा लेगा? It is given, what is given, how many hours? 3 hours more. Now how to solve? Important point, again if you have some idea of LCM, then only you can solve it. So 480 is common, inside the bracket x minus x minus 8 equals to 3. Now simplify it and form the equation. How we simplify? 3 into x minus 8 on RHS, and this side x and x cancel out, so this will become only 8. So 480 into 8. Simple. LCM is important. Now 80638 equals to 3x square minus 24x. So the final equation will be 3x square minus 24x minus 3840 equal to 0. If it is divisible by the common factor, then cancel out. 3, yes, divisible by 3, divisible by 3, divisible by 3, then this will be the final equation. So how to form the equation is an important point. Now some more problems which are not in the proper form of quadratic, but when you simplify algebraically by taking LCM or cross multiplication or transformation, you will get in the form of quadratic. Not in your NCERT book, but for the practice we have to complete it. For example, x plus 1 divide by x minus 1, x minus 2 divide by x plus 2 equals to 3. First. Second, 2x upon x minus 3, 1 upon 2x plus 3 equals to or plus 3x plus 9 divided by x minus 3 and 2x plus 3 equals to 0. And the last is important. Even for the higher classes, how to solve the roots. Say x square minus 4x and plus x square plus 9 equals to 4x square minus 14x plus 16. These are not as a direct, ऐसा नहीं दिखेगा कि ये quadratic equation है, but when we simplify it, we'll have quadratic equation. That's why the importance of these type of questions in our board exams. The first one, if you take LCM, LCM is x minus 1 and x plus 2. X plus 1 into x plus 2 and x minus 2 into x minus 1. After simplification, what we get? See, x square, 3x, 2, x square, 3x, 2, cross multiply, x square, x minus 2. 3x and 3x cancel out, so 2x square plus 4. And here 3x square plus 3x minus 6. Take to all right hand side. X square plus 3x minus 10 is the quadratic equation. Simple. Algebraic portion अपने को बहुत अच्छा आना चाहिए. Second part. This one. Again you have to take LCM. See, x minus 3 2x plus 3, x minus 3 2x plus 3. So LCM is x minus 3 into 2x plus 3. And this side is nothing, 0. Now you know how to take LCM. This divide by this. What is 2x into 2x plus 3? 2x plus 3 को इससे divide किया x minus 3 और इसको इससे divide किया nothing, that is 3x plus 9. Easy. Now cross multiply. When you cross multiply, right hand side becomes 0 and left hand side 4x square, 6x, x minus 3 and 3x plus 9. When you simplify, 4x square, 7 and 3 10x and 9 and 3 6. Again divisible by 2. 2x square, 5x, 3, 0 is the answer. Now next type questions. Answers are given. You have to check whether these are the correct answers of these quadratic equations or not. So first we start from the last. Put minus 4. If right hand side comes 0, then we say that yes, it is an answer, otherwise it is not an answer, not a root. So first 2 into 16, 5, 4, 20, 12, 32 and 32. Yes, it is the correct root of the given quadratic equation. Second part, minus 3. Minus 3, minus 3 and 3. 9, 2, 18, 5, 3, 15 plus 3, 0. So minus 15 and 21, that is 6, not equal to 0. Hence it is not a quadratic equation. We want to check, that's why we are not substituting first 0. First you have to solve. If it comes 0, then quadratic equation it is correct answer, and if it is not equal to 0, it is not a correct answer or the root. The last one. Complete roots. We have to check whether 3 is the answer or not. So substitute 3. 9, 12, 3. Substitute 3. Substitute 3. Now what we are getting here, 0, 0, and right hand side 36, 42 and 16. Minus 6 plus 16, that is root 10, but this side it is not a answer. 3 is not a correct root of the given So now I think it is very clear that what is quadratic equation. It's introductory part. So here is your homework, the 5 questions. You have to check whether these are the correct quadratic equations, yes or no. And if it is yes, you have to frame the equation. कर लेंगे ना? Good. So take care. मिलते हैं अगला टॉपिक लेकर के, सॉल्विंग बाय फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. Take care. Goodbye.